I added all the task and I get all the task in the task table and task list. Okay, so now we will do edit and update thing. The first issue is that there is not detected data table. So for that we are going to index.blade.php, and I think it enter wrong ID, so that's why he not detected less tasks, and here is less task, so that's why it not detected. Now we will do edit and update functionality. For that, uncomment this route and go to, okay, let's do like that. Okay, that's great. Now go to the task controller, and here we make two functions, the first for edit and the second for update. So let's do it. Public function, and it will be edit function, and copy all this thing, paste it here. Change this function to find or fail and pass the ID. This is task, not tasks, and this will be update. Put task. Okay, now go to the update task. Nothing is here, so go to control V, create.blade.php in the task folder, and copy whole code from here and paste it in update.blade.php file. Paste it here. Go to up. Here it is create task, not create task, update task. Copy this, paste it here, and that will be also update task. This will be the token list of employees. Here we will check, so it will automatically select the employee. So if it's like that, here we can write condition like $employee as id equal $task as id. So it will be selected true, or you can write selected, and else part you will do selected empty. Come here and write here like that $selected. Format document, still formatting the document. Second one is enter the value in title. Wait a minute. Okay. $task as title, and $task has also a description. $task has content, and $task has published date. $task has date, and $task has status. So we will use like value equal $task as status. Okay, and it will be update. Go to the task controller and get all the employees in a task, and edit function. Paste it here, pass it an array. It is employees. Okay. Now make a function. So copy the create function whole and paste it down and change the name to update, and also pass the ID. Validation, make all the validation fails, it will show the error. And task, it will content employee content date, okay, everything proper. Task update successfully, and go to the update file, okay, change the name of the farm, already changed, go down and write here update, uh, it will be also date not, will be also update not create, and outside we can input double quotes JSON, okay. And one thing I'm missing, ID, copy, paste it, change the ID, it will be ID, and type will be hidden. Go to the route, web.request.route, and uncomment these two. Will be update, edit, okay. Go to the task controller, we will not pass ID here, the ID will come from the request. Find or fail, or the request has ID, okay. Now go to the browser, reload it. Now the pagination is shown, and also the edit button is also shown, so click on the edit button. It will be directed in this form. The selected function is not working. Here is emp underscore id. Okay, save it, go to refresh. Now the employee name is gone. Change to inactive and update. Task update successful. Go to list. Task will update it. Now again click on edit button. Task is inactive, so you can use active function. Task is updated successfully. So all the CRUD operation are done. In next video we will doing another CRUD. So